Hey, can I talk to you about something a bit personal?
Of course, Jason. What's going on?
It's about my relationship. I think I'm in a toxic situation.
Oh no. What's happening?
My girlfriend is extremely jealous. She doesn't even like it when I talk to other women, even just friends.
Really? Not even close friends like me?
Exactly. She gets upset when I text or even say hi to you or other female coworkers.
Wow. That's not healthy, Jason. You've known me for years. We're just friends.
I know, but she checks my phone, questions everything, and sometimes accuses me of things I haven't done.
That sounds exhausting. Have you tried talking to her about it?
I have, many times, but every time I bring it up, she either gets angry or starts crying and says I don't love her.
Jason, I hate to say it, but that's emotional manipulation.
Yeah, that's how it feels, but I keep thinking maybe she'll change. Maybe it's just her insecurity.
People don't change unless they want to, and even then, it takes time. But right now, she's not respecting you or your space.
I just feel trapped. I care about her, but I'm starting to feel like I'm losing myself in this relationship.
That's a big red flag. You shouldn't have to give up your friends, your freedom, or your peace of mind to make someone feel secure.
So, you think I should leave her?
Honestly, yes. I know it's not easy, but if a relationship is hurting you more than helping you, it's not love, it's control.
It's just hard. I don't want to hurt her, but I feel drained every day.
You have to take care of your own mental health, Jason. You deserve to be with someone who trusts you and makes you feel safe, not stressed.
You're right. I've been ignoring the signs for a long time.
You're a kind and loyal guy. Any woman would be lucky to have you, but you need someone who respects your boundaries.
Thanks, Laura. Talking to you helps. I think I needed to hear it out loud.
Anytime. I'm always here for you. Whatever you decide, I've got your back.
I think I'm going to end it soon. I need to take back control of my life.
I'm proud of you. It won't be easy, but you'll feel free and stronger once you do.
Thanks, Laura. That means a lot.
Anytime, Jason. You deserve to be happy. Don't ever forget that.